Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saqib Safdar and here is my data structures project, which is a contact book. So basically it has various operations like adding contact, deleting contact, edit any contact or display contact, etc. So first I will show you the output and then later we will discuss the code. So here is the output. Now my file is already empty, so here is the message: file is empty, cannot open. If we want to start, then enter a name, and here is the welcome interface for the user. Now there are various commands for various operations. Like if you want to add contact, press 1, name of contact Saqib, and number is 123. Okay, now contact added. If we want to edit, delete, search, any other operation, like I want to display all contacts, so enter 5, and here are the contacts total: Saqib 123 and total contacts 1. And for these, like for contact saving, I basically use file handling. So I will show you. Here is the contact book file name, and here is the contact one Saqib. Now if we want to any other contact, like I want to add one other contact, enter 1 and name is Sara. Here is Sara, phone number is 345. Okay, now contact added. Now if we want to check our file like contact added or not, then here Sara is already added. Like okay, now if we want to display all contacts, here Saqib and Sara, now 2 contacts and total contacts 2. Now various other operations like search and delete all contacts, display all contacts, these all are operations working here. Okay, now I will explain the code. Okay, for code, these two libraries, IOStream is the basic library for C++ file, like input output library, and this fstream and ssstream library is used for file handling. Okay, now first of all there is a structure used here for name and for two variables like name and phone number, and pointing to the nodes next and previous. So next is the class name contact book. This class is basically used for creating new nodes in which we store our name of the contact and the phone number. So basically in this project I use a double linked list. Like if we want to save our storage, and so we use double linked list so our storage cannot be wasted. So here is a class contact book, and new node is created whenever like you enter the command, and then new node created for name of contact and for phone number. Okay, so this display function is for display contacts, like if there is contact any present. So first of all there is a check that if no contact is present, then it will display this message, this one, no contacts, please add some contact. And if there are like some data present in the file, then it will display. Okay, there is a second function for search contact. If we want to search any contact, then there are two commands if we want to search by name or search by number. Enter any command. If we want to search by name, enter 1. If we want to search by number, enter 2. If we want to search by name, then simply command 1. And if this command is not null, like it is not empty, then it will display. And if check is false, like there is no name present, then it will display name not found. Same for the second command, enter number for the search. And if command is not null, then it will display, and if the command is false, it will display number not found. Okay, here is the next function which is for delete contacts. Same for the this function, like if head is null, then there is already empty contact book, then it will not delete any contact. And if it is not empty, then it will delete contacts. Head equal to null will delete all the contacts and display a message successfully deleted. Now if we want to delete any single contact, then same other two conditions, press 1 to search by name and press 2 to search by number. Same check, enter the name to delete. If not empty, then it will delete the contact, and if check is true, then press 1 to delete. Here are several if else is used for various check, and final check is if it is false, then contact not found. Same for the second command, same line of code. Now next function is edit contact. If we want to edit contact, same two commands. Press 1 if you want to search by name, you want to edit, and press 2 if you want to search by number. So enter your command, 1 for search by name and 2 for search by number. So if it is not null, like if it is not empty, then it will edit the contact. If check is true, then you can enter new name and new number and contact edit successfully. And if it is not present, then you enter wrong command. And final check is contact not found. Same for the second command. Okay, here is the function for save contact in the file. Like we use file handling, so if we want to store any contact in the file, so this function perform that work. Offstream is used for writing data into the file. So if it is not null, then it will store data into the file and display that data, and else thanks file is empty, it will display that message. If you want to reopen contact book, so that function basically performed this work. If stream is used to read data from the file, so if file is already empty, then it will display file is empty, sorry cannot open, like the message that was displayed when I run that code first time. And the upper portion of code, this one is for the any data like present in the file, and it will read that data for you. Okay, now that output user interface was because of this function void structure. This function display like all the output interface for the user, and here are the commands. For operating in these commands, I use this switch statement. Like if you want to add contact, then case 1 create node, and like you can add new contact. And for other commands there are case 2 and other cases. Okay, and default statement, like if we enter any other command than these commands, then it will display a message you enter wrong command. Okay, here is the main program, which is so simple. And if there is any data present in our contact book already, then it will be shown. And first of all, it will like a welcome message, what is your name, and you can enter your name, and then it will display you welcome to the contact book. So that's all for today, and thank you so much.